afternoon, good morning, something like that. We have been looking for a particular automobile to do something with on our YouTube page. So I went looking, and I've been trying to buy this rig now since February. So, as you know, we went and looked at one up in the other northern part of Texas, and that didn't pan out very well because the guy didn't have the title. So you probably know what we're looking at. I'll turn you around so you can see it. Here we have a 1984 conversion van. It's an E150, which I've been looking for. It's the third gen, which I've been looking for. It falls in that age group from 75 to 91, and that's what I wanted. I wanted the long nose on it. Now, she's not perfect. For what we paid for it, I knew we weren't going to get perfect, but you get what you get. They're getting hard to find. Those that you do find, they want an arm and a leg for. So this one here was pretty cheap, and I'm going to be real happy with it, and we're going to have it on the channel, and we're going to go through it and rebuild it and make it roadworthy one more time. The brakes are bad right now, but it's got enough emergency brake to get it on and off the trailer. I wouldn't want to drive it anywhere. So we're gonna, I'll give you a quick tour of it before we get her fired up. And she does run, not well, but it does run. So I'll give you a quick tour. So what we got, I'm not going to climb up there just yet. We got interior is dire need of repair. But it does have two sunroofs, which I think is kind of cool. So the carpeting has got to go. It's pretty ratted out. There is a table back here, and it does have a bed. The front seat, both front seats are in real bad shape. So we're going to take the two back here and put them up there. Does have in the cabin area, does have a CB radio, all kinds of little switches. We don't know what they're for yet. We'll find out. So it does have a 351 cubic inch. Right now it's only got about 10 horsepower, but we'll fix that too. The reason I wanted this particular vehicle is because of the raised roof. It's got a luggage rack up there that's molded in, and I'd never seen one. And I've been looking online and I still haven't seen one. And it's got a little airfoil up there, so it's already got some custom touches. Now, if anybody knows anything about these, there's who produced it. I'll be looking up online myself. So, does need tires, but I knew that. The wheels need cleaning. I gotta find center caps for them. Does need a brake job. So, and we got some rot along the windshield. I'll take care of that. We got on the other side, there's a big hole. We got a couple cracks in the roof that I gotta fix. But that's no biggie, that's a little fiberglass. Got a bent exhaust system on it. There's a little bit of rust here and there. It's faded real bad. But that's alright, we don't care about that either. Needs new rubbers in the windows. There's a dual tank. We don't know if they work or not. So we'll have to get after it. Needs a mirror. Probably put two new ones on it. The grill is in good shape. The hood's in good shape. Not all dented. Bumpers are nice and straight. At least the front one is. I don't know. I didn't pay attention to the back. Let's go back and look at it. Yeah, it's not bad. It's got a little crud on it. We'll see if we can get that off. Somebody had a trailer hitch on it. Stupid. But right there There's one dent. And the only other dent I can find is right here. And this is here, and this is all pushed in. I think I can pop it back out. It'll look all right for now. We do have to find door rubbers along with the window rubbers. They're all dried or rotted out. The dash is not cracked. The AC does not work, but we can fix that. One of the things that's interesting is there's ashtrays all over this thing. There's one over there, there's one back in here, there's one up in the front. Let me open up the back. There's something in the back here, we don't know. I gotta fix this. Oh yeah, here's another dent here. I think I can fix that. Let me see if I can open this. Yeah. You can see the kind of ugly, real bad. I don't know what this is, where it goes, and that. I don't know where that goes. Got a fuel filter. Whoopee! So, here it is. It smells kind of funky. Got all the custom lighting from back in the day, which is cool. We might do something with them. Make them LED. Got a 12-volt outlet with an antenna. Oh. Make you go, Well, we'll get it off the trailer now. I think I've done enough talking for this one. Everything shuts. So there it is, in all its glory. Going to have the wife make curtains, get rid of the blinds. I don't like blinds. So, windshield's not cracked. There's it. It's not really bad shape. So, what we paid for it, it's going to be a good little program. Stay tuned.